Today we will set up Python in VS Code. First of all, we will install Python. Then we will install VS Code. Then we will connect Python to VS Code. Here basically we will install a VS Code extension. And finally we will run first Python program in VS Code. Hi, I am Van from Dear Coding. To install Python and VS Code, first of all, we will have to download them from their official websites. So first of all, we will open a browser. Right here in search bar, search Python. This is the Python's official site. Let's open it. Now click on Downloads. Download Python 3.11.2. Select the location and click on Save. It won't take much time. It is only of 24.2 megs. Python has been downloaded. Now let's install Python. Show in folder. Now right click on this exe file. Now run as administrator. Say yes. Python installation window has been opened up. First of all, check this. Add python.exe to path. Now click on install now. Python is installing. Python has been installed. Close the window. If you don't believe me, then press Windows button on your keyboard and search CMD. Then enter. Type in the command prompt python space dash dash version. Did you also see this on your screen? Python 3.11.2. It means Python has been installed. It is the version of Python installed on your system. Now let's install VS Code. Search here VS Code and press enter. Right on the top you will see code.visualstudio.com. Click on this link. Official site of Visual Studio Code has been opened up. You will see download button right here on the top. Now click on Windows. At which location you want to download VS Code in your system. Select the location from here. Generally, this same location would open up in your PC too. After selecting the location, click on Save. And VS Code is downloading right here in the bottom. It is of 84.9 megs. Now let's install VS Code. Click on Show in folder. Now double click on this exe file. After reading all the terms and conditions of VS Code, select this. I accept the agreement. And then next. Where do you want to download VS Code in your PC? It was VS Code installer. The file which would be downloaded now is the actual VS Code application. You can choose your custom location by clicking on this browse button. Click OK after selecting the location. These two checks are very useful. Don't forget to tick them. Tick this as well. With this, VS Code desktop shortcut will be created. Again next, install. Visual Studio Code has been installed. Let's now open up VS Code. First create a folder on desktop. Right click anywhere on desktop. Then new and then folder. Let's name the folder as Python tutorial. Right click on the folder. Click on show more options and this is open with code. Now click here open with code. If we did not tick those two options while installing VS Code, then you won't see open with code here. Let's click here and Python tutorial folder is opened up in VS Code. Let's close the welcome tab and click here on extensions. Search Python. You will see the extension right here on the top. This extension belongs to Microsoft. Click on this extension. You will see the install option. As Python is already installed in my system, that's why uninstall is here. When you also see this uninstall option on your computer screen, it means this Python extension has been installed in your VS Code. Now let's close extensions and come here in the Explorer tab. Create a new Python file. You can give any name to the Python file. I am writing main.py. All Python files end with .py extension. Now press enter. Main.py has been opened up in the workspace. Now let's write some code. Print, parenthesis, double quotes. Now whatever I will write in the double quotes, that will be printed as it is on the screen in the output. Let's say I write Python by Dear Coding. Right click anywhere. You will see run code here on the top. It's Ctrl plus Alt plus N. We should use keyboard shortcuts as much as possible to increase our productivity. Let's click on it. The terminal window has been opened up. You can move this window up and down like this. This is the output of the program Python by Dear Coding. Write your name here, then you will see your name in the output. If you liked this video, then please comment what do you want to see next.